AI agents are becoming connective tissue across enterprise defense. They monitor signals, accelerate response, hunt for hidden threats, and manage risk. In this topic, we'll look at how coordinated agents strengthen the full security lifecycle. We've moved from basic automation to agentic defense, systems that can reason, plan, use tools, and escalate when needed. Now we'll connect those capabilities to real enterprise security work across SOC operations, incident response, threat hunting, posture management, and risk. The enterprise security stack is the operating environment an agent works inside. It draws telemetry from SIEM, SOAR, EDR, XDR, IAM, cloud security, vulnerability tools, and tickets. From there, the agent observes events, adds policy context, reasons across systems, and recommends or runs approved workflows. The real value is coordination. Connecting fragmented tools faster than humans can manually pivot. Oversight still matters, especially when actions could disrupt users, change access, or affect production systems. Agentic AI can be viewed as specialized teammates moving through the security lifecycle. Monitoring agents watch signals, enrich alerts, and decide what deserves attention. Hunting agents follow hypotheses across data sources to uncover hidden activity. Response agents coordinate containment, evidence collection, and remediation, with tightly governed autonomy. Posture agents continuously examine controls, configurations, exposures, and trends, feeding lessons back into detection and prevention so the cycle improves over time. A SOC agent is a triage partner, not a replacement for analysts. It brings consistency to noisy alert streams by weighing severity, detection confidence, asset value, and business impact. It also collapses duplicates, links related activity into incidents, and enriches each case with user, host, process, IP, cloud, and identity context. The outcome is fewer, better cases with clear summaries and recommended next steps, so analysts spend more time investigating and less time sorting. The SOC goal is not to collect more alerts. It is to turn scattered signals into a coherent case. First, the agent enriches each alert with context from EDR, SIEM, IAM, CMDB, threat intel, and vulnerability data. Then it removes duplicates caused by the same activity. Next, it correlates relationships across users, hosts, cloud workloads, IPs, and tactics. The result is a concise investigation brief. An analyst can quickly validate. Agents in the SOC are acceleration layers, not final decision makers. For Tier 1 work, they summarize alerts, suggest triage, and recommend safe next actions. For Tier 2 investigations, they correlate evidence, build timelines, and surface pivots analysts might miss. The handoff must be explicit. Escalate when severity is high, confidence is low, privileged assets are involved, or business impact is possible. Analyst feedback then tunes future recommendations. Incident response often slows down because each team has different tools, priorities, and views of the facts. An AI agent can serve as the coordination layer. It keeps the case updated with evidence, status, owners, and next actions. As the response moves from detection to validation, scoping, containment, recovery, and review, the agent recommends playbook steps, routes work to the right teams, and keeps leaders aligned around one operating picture. Containment is where agentic AI needs the tightest control, because even a valid security action can disrupt the business. The agent should turn evidence into a recommendation: what to isolate, block, revoke, or quarantine, why it matters, how confident it is, and what impact to expect. High-risk steps should require approval and policy checks. If execution is allowed, it must be scoped, logged, tied to the incident, and reversible whenever possible. During an incident, collecting evidence is only part of the challenge. Teams also need a shared narrative. An agent can connect alerts, logins, malware events, cloud actions, file access, and responder decisions into a chronological record. That record supports investigation notes, situation reports, and team updates. It also preserves context across tickets, chat, and case systems, so each handoff begins with what is already known. Threat hunting starts with a question, not an alert. An agent can combine threat intelligence, ATT and CK techniques, prior incidents, and local context to suggest hypotheses such as token abuse, living off the land lateral movement, or cloud privilege escalation. It then identifies useful telemetry, drafts queries, and ranks hunts by asset criticality, exposure, likelihood, and detection gaps. The key is traceability. Assumptions, reasoning, and expected evidence are documented before hunters execute and validate. A hunt rarely stops at the first indicator. An IP domain hash process user or cloud API call is usually a doorway into connected evidence. The agent pivots across telemetry to find shared logins, parent processes, infrastructure, roles, and timing. Then it compares those links with baselines, history, and adversary techniques. The goal is not more raw query output. It is an evidence-backed finding that explains what is related, why it matters, and what to investigate next. Threat intelligence is useful only when it changes what defenders do. An agent can take a long report and extract the adversary's goals, tactics, infrastructure, and indicators. It then maps those details to MITRE ATT&CK, CK, internal telemetry, and existing coverage, helping teams see where they are exposed. The output should be practical. Hunts to run, detections to write, controls to tune, and response steps to prepare, with confidence clearly separated from speculation. Agentic AI moves posture management from periodic checks to continuous verification. It watches cloud, identity, endpoints, networks, and SaaS for weak controls, excessive access, exposed assets, and drifting configurations. The value is not just finding issues faster. It connects each finding to business risk, validates whether controls still work, and helps teams prioritize remediation. Leaders get a clearer risk picture, while security teams get actionable next steps before problems become incidents. Key takeaway: AI security agents create value when they connect context, tools, and workflows around clear roles. They can speed triage, coordinate response, support hunting, and improve risk visibility. Trust depends on boundaries, escalation, auditability, and human oversight. Next, we'll build those foundations with tools, policies, and guardrails.